You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations, because American English and British English pronunciations are different here. British English, standard English pronunciation, secretary. Often the t syllable is skipped. You could say secretary, secretary, or secretary. Alright, now the Americans say it as usually secretary, secretary, American English, or secretary in British English. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.